Today we're going to talk about Notable, the new dry erase paint from Benjamin Moore. It's a two-part system that comes in white or clear and works on drywall, metal, laminate, and wood surfaces. It comes in 50, 100, or 200 square foot kits that include a roller cover and step-by-step instructions. It's important to get the right size kit for our project. Don't try to stretch this paint. Overextending the mixture will compromise how well you can write or erase on the surface. That's why we measure first. Now let's prep our wall. Like any other project, we want to fill in any holes and sand down any rough spots. Because Notable is a high gloss paint, any imperfections will be really highlighted by its finish. I know we usually freehand these projects, but for this we're going to frame our work area with a high quality painter's tape. It gives us a straight edge and prevents any seeping and dripping. Leave a 4-inch border along the bottom of your work area in case of any drips or runs. That's especially important since Notable's a little thinner than other paints, and if we get this on our stuff, it's not coming out. A wine cork can help you apply good, firm, even pressure to smooth out the tape without getting it too stuck to the wall. When using Notable white, we want to start with a primer that works for most surfaces. The primer will help hide imperfections and mute undercolors, while giving Notable a really solid foundation to adhere to. For the whitest white and best results, we recommend applying a base coat of white in a non-flat finish before topping with Notable. Notable Clear can be applied over any paint color. Just make sure it's in good condition. Gloves and safety glasses are important here because Notable won't wash off with just soap and water. Now, it's a standard two-part system, a base and a catalyst that activate when mixed. It's best to mix this by hand. Avoid drill mixing or shaking, which can cause bubbles. But we do want to make sure it's well mixed. All the molecules need to pair up, bind together, and harden for the paint to perform as well as it does. Once we've mixed the two, Notable will harden in about 4 hours, giving us more time to work than the other dry erase paints, but we still got to move quickly. Don't use plastic tray liners with Notable. The chemicals in the paint may cause the liner to break down, becoming soft and unusable. And the same chemicals may cause other roller covers to fall apart and degrade, which won't give you anything but an uneven, imperfect application. It's best to work about 50 square feet at a time. It's an easy to manage size and allows us to give that area our full attention. Now it'll be ready for a second coat. Once our second coat is on, we've got about half an hour to fill in any areas we missed. After 30 minutes, what's there is there, and we're ready to remove the tape. It'll be dry to the touch in 4 hours, but give it at least a week to cure for best results. Done right, the result is a smooth, high gloss finish on nearly any surface that wipes clean every time, without any left behind ghost marks. Okay, let's go over everything one more time. Start with a smooth surface. A flawless surface means a flawless whiteboard. Tape off a sizable bottom border to keep our stuff safe from drips. Apply the right primer and a base coat for the surface materials. Do not use either part by itself. They must be mixed. Use the correct paint tray and roller brush cover for the best results. Any touch-ups can be done within 30 minutes. All our painting was completed within 4 hours. That's about it. Good luck, and be sure to check out our other videos.